Hey guys, it looks like Samsung is committed to escalating the smartphone megapixel war. So, Korean outlet ET News have confirmed that the firm's next flagship smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, will sport a 200 megapixel camera. This is almost double the 108 megapixel resolution of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, already the highest resolution smartphone camera on the block, and more than 4 times the rumored 48 megapixel resolution of the iPhone 14, which is coming this September. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, according to ET News, opens in new tab, Samsung Electronics Mobile Experience (MX) division has shared the specs with its major camera partners, as well as its production plans for the phone's expected release in 2023. So why has Samsung put such an absurd number of pixels in a smartphone camera? It's not just about detail, as 200 megapixel is many more pixels than you need to print an image on a double page in a magazine. It's to do with a process called pixel binning, by which the sensor combines the data from multiple pixels into one. Having fewer pixels on a sensor means less resolution, but also means less image noise, and therefore better performance in low light. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to use a sensor called Isoscel HP1, which was announced last year, and is capable of binning 16 pixels at once. This would take it from 200 megapixel with a pixel size of 0.64 micrometers, to 12.5 megapixel, still a perfectly acceptable photo resolution, with a pixel size of 2.56 micrometers, which is much better for light absorption. So the idea is that the sensor provides the best of both worlds. In bright conditions, it can capture monster 200 megapixel images for absolutely blistering levels of detail. And then, when the light gets low, you bin the majority of that resolution in favor of larger pixels that produce a much cleaner image. According to Samsung, the sensor will also allow for capturing 8K video at 30 frames per second with a minimal loss in field of view. Many smartphones and cameras incur a significant crop on their sensor's resolution when capturing high-quality video, which can make it difficult to get wide-angle shots. It's still difficult to imagine many people having much use for a memory card clogging, processor stuttering 200 MP smartphone image, which is likely why the sensor also offers a 2x2 binning process that produces 50 megapixel images. However, once you dig into the specs, that 200 megapixel sensor resolution does make a little more sense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.